I did pack my picnic basket, sandwiches and little snack. Hells to the years. My guitar, I even bought my dryzer bone because, you know, I'm all country. Man, I'm so excited. I cannot wait for this. I love this shit. And I've even got my cowboy boots on today. Google's showing me the way. It's gonna be a great night, can't wait. Thank you for the invite out here, guys. I absolutely love it and appreciate it very much. See you soon. Arrived to Cousin Nikki's house. They are just getting the horses. They got Bicky and Chachi. They're coming out to Glen Park. Gonna get those buggers into their buggy. Biscuit and Chachi are coming. Come here. Give me a pat. Say hello, Cuzzy.
Hi.
Chachi and Biscuit. How are you, big boy? Feeling alright?
Good boy.
And away we go. Woo! Cuzzy's going to get drinks. You're Dallas, are you? Nice to meet you. Yeah, I think you're good.
Likes you.
He is dancing and singing as well. What's up?
How you going?
Good, man, how you going?
Fuck you, it looks good on these big tyres.
Sweet as, eh?
Oh,
Yeah.
oh man, your car's clean.
Yeah, it's smick.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we just lit the fire up for you, so. Oh yeah, you camping
My
down
swag
here?
with me, yeah.
Oh, we're camping down here too.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Alright, see you, man.
See you, man. Love it here. This is beautiful. Bye.